Hey everyone, if you want to use live captions in Google Meet in 2026, like real-time subtitles during meetings, this video is for you. I'll show you step by step how to enable and use it easily. First, open Google Meet and join or start a meeting. Live captions only work inside an active call. Next, look at the bottom controls and click the CC or Captions button. This is the main feature for turning on subtitles. Now enable live captions. Once turned on, everything spoken in the meeting will appear as text on your screen in real time. After that, check caption settings if needed. You can adjust language options depending on your meeting requirements. On mobile, you can also move the caption box around your screen. This helps keep important content visible during meetings. Next, you can turn captions off anytime by clicking the CC button again. It is fully flexible and can be used whenever needed. Now, use captions to better understand conversations. This is very helpful in noisy environments or when speakers have different accents. So yeah, that's how you use Google Meet Live Captions feature in 2026. Follow each step carefully and you'll never miss important information in your meetings again. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more Google Meet tutorials for fast and easy guides.